Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a YouTuber like me, you know how exciting it is to watch your subscriber count grow. But what happens when your subscriber count gets stuck, even after gaining new subscribers? It can be so frustrating, right? Well, I recently faced this issue. For weeks, no matter how many new subscribers I got, my total subscriber count just wouldn't budge. I know many of you might have experienced the same thing, so today I'm here to share how I solved it. Here's what I did. I used YouTube's send feedback option to report the issue. If you're not familiar with this feature, here's how to do it. First, click on your profile logo in the top right corner of YouTube. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and select Send Feedback. A feedback box will pop up. Here, I explained the issue clearly, mentioning that my subscriber count was frozen despite gaining new subscribers. You can even attach screenshots if you think that'll help YouTube understand the problem better. After submitting my feedback, I waited for about 48 hours, and guess what? The problem was fixed. My subscriber count updated and I could see the growth I was expecting. I was so relieved. It turns out YouTube support is really responsive if you clearly explain the problem and provide evidence. So, if you're dealing with this frustrating issue, don't hesitate to use the send feedback option. I hope this helps other creators who might be struggling with the same problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others. Let's keep growing together as creators. Thanks for watching and be kind enough to leave a comment below.